Welcome to another Simple Dad Snapchat tutorial. In this video, I'll show you how to enable Snapchat voice scan and how to use it. If you're new here, please subscribe to see more videos like this and don't forget to like this video. So voice scan is a new feature introduced by Snapchat. By enabling voice scan, this will allow you to use your voice to take certain actions within Snapchat, such as searching for lenses. After enabling this feature, you don't need to type in the search bar to find your desired lenses. You just need to tap on the mic and then speak into the mic. So let me show you how to enable this and how to use Snapchat voice scan. So before we begin, let's update your Snapchat to the latest version. You can do this by going into your App Store or your Play Store and updating your Snapchat app. Once that is updated, go ahead and open the app. Now here, to enable voice scan, you want to tap on your emoji here at the top left. Next, you want to tap on the settings icon at the top right. Now on this settings page, you're finding voice scan, which is right here. This will be under my account section and it will be the second last one. Tap on it. Now go ahead and make sure it is enabled for you. So as you can see, I have a tick next to it. That means it's enabled. Now once that's enabled, you want to go back to the Snapchat home screen. Now you want to tap on your Explore button, which is your magnifying glass, just at the bottom. For Android users, you'll see your Explore button here, just at the bottom right. For iPhone, you'll see it right here in the center at the bottom. So go ahead and tap on it. Now here at the search, you'll see a microphone icon. So in order to use this, you need to tap on the microphone icon and then you need to say what kind of Snapchat lens you're looking for. So as an example, I'll tap on it. I want to look like a monkey. This will now search the Snapchat lens library and will find the effect which makes me look like a monkey. So let me go ahead and try another one. Make my hair yellow. And there you go. It's made my hair yellow. So this feature saves you from the hassle of typing in the lens you're looking for in your Explore page. So that is how to enable and use a Snapchat voice scan on your Snapchat app. If this video is helpful, then please subscribe to see more videos like this. If you have any other questions, then please do let me know in the comment section down below. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.